today. I just woke up. It is 9:06. My hair appointment is at 10 o'clock. Finna get dressed, brush my teeth, wash my face, get in the shower. And I'll be back when I'm dressed and in the car. I wasn't supposed to get braids today, but my hairstylist canceled on me. So I decided to get braids instead. Knotless braids at that. Got my hair done. These are knotless braids. It took about 2 hours. They worked real fast. But this was not the original plan. The original plan was a sew-in. But things happen, you know. Got knotless braids instead. I got my hair stuck out the way. I decided to get me some Italian sausages and fries from Rudy's Pizza. Okay, update. Rudy's Pizza is disgusting. Like, it wasn't even a real sausage. It was like bits and pieces. It was nasty. But anyway, I'm about to go to the waxing place. So, see y'all at Sugar Me Waxing Studio. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna go get a wax. Alright, y'all. I just got done getting my sugar waxing. It felt lovely. I love going to Sugar Me Waxing Studio. But this concludes the vlog for the day. I'm finna go home, get in the shower, and probably do some homework for school. But thank you for watching my vlog. And see y'all next video.